I'd love to talk to you about your erection.
All right, hit it.
Did you know that more than 50% of men over 50 suffer from some sort of erectile dysfunction? There are two things that can cause an erection. 1, arousal. 2, blood flow. So the first sign of a heart condition is actually erectile dysfunction.
You're out to see the wizard, the wonderful wizard of
Erectile dysfunction.
Now, you could take a little pill to give yourself an erection that's going to last for 4 hours with a ton of side effects. But what are you going to do with the other 3 hours and 45 minutes?
That sounds hard. It's impossible.
Or you could go vegan. That's right, a plant-based diet will actually improve blood flow in both your heart and down there. It's proven that a vegan diet actually improves.
You're out to see the wizard.
Plus, you're going to taste better. If you're looking for a really good erection, go vegan. You can take control of your health. A vegan and plant-based diet will actually improve blood flow to your heart as well as down there. And that's going to improve your entire life. Comment, like, and subscribe.